So here we go. It's January the 30th, sorry, and it's now time to empty my second set of frames for this day. So this is my first lot here. There's one and two, and here comes the second batch out ready to go. It's filling up in there beautifully and flowing. Absolutely fantastic. So I put mine straight into jugs instead of sitting here with jars, my honey. Just due to the fact that I'd get too hot sitting here, and I have other stuff, obviously being a mum of 3 and a wife. I have other things I need to be doing than sitting here for an hour while it fills up my jars. So I find this is the best and easiest way to do it. And then it goes straight from these jugs straight into glass jars and on to family and friends. The girls are still very busy out front here, as I showed you in the first video. Probably a bit more so than the one that I'm harvesting, because I know something's going on. Who is this person taking all our beautiful honey? Still quite warm here. For Tassie anyway. It's warm for Tassie. It's about 25, 26. 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So, still very good. It's flowing very, very well. I can see in there. Let's come this way. Beautiful, golden delicious. See them busy in there, trying to get in there and clean it all out. You can see the ones over here. This is the one I've already harvested, this one here. And this one here, you can see them all in there. I've taken the caps off and they're back in there giving a good clean. One's in here still trying to get in. Try and clean out. Again, I'll put my suit back on just because they're not overly happy with me. They're normally quite quiet bees, but I've disturbed them now 2 days in a row. And I don't really want to be stung or killed for the bees, so I'll go about their business. As I steal their honey. Okay, bye.